Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Radical Measures podcast, episode number 16. It seems like we are stepping into the future with
Yeah.
all of these successive numbers.
Yes.
Episode 16 might go into episode 17, so on and so forth. But the world,
Okay, go ahead.
but the world is flying into the future
Huh.
and crash landing, it seems.
Yes. More crash landing than flying.
More crash landing than flying.
We are having a test flights into the future, if anything.
We are slowly inching towards the Jetson scenario.
Yeah.
Where you will have jetpacks, where you'll have drones carrying people around.
Huh.
We are slowly getting over there.
Yeah.
And the technological giants are at the forefront
Yes.
of this. We have Google, Amazon,
Yeah.
who else? Bezos is probably looking at
Bezos
something.
is Amazon. Yeah. He's doing it.
Bezos, Amazon.
There's
who else?
like small startups also. There is like Mattel something.
I think Domino's might be investing definitely.
Oh, for sure.
They are the first
They are the people who are like now
thing
we'll do
going
15.
for future.
Yeah.
Adopting technology, robots are making
Yeah.
pizzas, all of that.
And like no tension of delivery boys
Exactly.
at all.
So, speaking about the topic we are tripping on, it's drones being utilized for deliveries.
Huh.
Amazon deliveries,
Yeah.
food in certain cases,
Yeah.
but mostly technology. Okay, and the problem with drones is that it seems like a good idea
Yeah.
at the beginning.
Yes. It makes us feel like we have a remote control
Yeah.
car and whatnot.
And then you realize there are things flying out there anyway.
Yeah.
Who
Who
have-
don't learn to share the sky with our drones.
Yeah. they are not very happy about the idea of this noise just coming out of nowhere.
Yes.
Like we are
Just flying.
silent, buddy. We have evolved to fly silently, not
Yeah,
make
it's
that
scaring
much
away the
noise.
prey, dude. What are you doing?
Yeah, scaring away the rabbits and whatnot.
Yeah.
What are you doing? It's birds are territorial.
Yes.
Some of them, especially eagles.
Yeah. Ravens in
Huh,
this case. Huh.
ravens, crows.
Yeah.
We have so many birds anyway. We have pigeons, so many pigeons.
Hmm.
How are we even expecting drones to do their job
Huh.
properly?
Yeah. We didn't take into consideration the fact that these things that are flying see our drones as a threat.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean,
These there's legit bird attacks.
whenever we imagine the world, we remove everything
Yeah,
in
yeah.
the world.
Minus everything. It's like
Yeah.
हम लोग ही है दुनिया में. And this is fucking this dude. There is this video that got viral of this raven that attacked a drone carrying coffee.
Now-
somebody ordered coffee on a drone.
Can you imagine you've ordered a coffee, the
Yeah.
drone is coming,
Huh.
and just you're starting your day, preparing for office, presentation, I have a big presentation.
Yeah.
And I've ordered, and the moment I'm about to get a coffee, there's a raven which attacks the drone.
Yeah.
Now I have hot coffee
On me.
on me before a big presentation, and now I have to like change again. Why? Just go to a coffee shop.
Yeah, just do that for yourself. Take that much effort.
Why do you want to risk getting attacked by a bird
Huh.
whenever you are getting delivery of something that you have paid for?
Yeah.
Why do you want that risk?
See, the thing is, most of these people think that the reason why birds attack and all is because they think there is food. But the birds are not wrong. There is food.
There is food.
If an eagle attacks a shahi korma or something, it will find food on that.
Yeah.
You can't stop them.
Yeah. Leave the broken bits of the drone to
Yeah.
open the package.
Yeah, he'll start learning like can opener type stuff.
and then eat. Cook food.
Yeah. Cooked food, nice masaledar food, and it'll be like the easiest thing it catches.
Oh God.
But it's
The
not.
amount of money expenditure this would cost.
Oh yeah, just one drone.
And just at the beginning, if you're thinking,
Hmm.
you would need a repair shop for the drones.
Yeah.
Because we have such khujli with flying now. We have such khujli with idea of flying. Flying and submarines. Two very khujli things we do. Where we are not supposed to be as human beings we go there.
Yeah,
They
we
are
want
not
to
supposed to
Mount
be so
Everest,
deep.
space, everything is that
Yeah,
only.
these are all
I'm
khujli
not
things.
supposed to exist
Yeah.
there, but I will go.
I will go. And
I will
flying-
go and see what is there. I will challenge things jiska natural habitat hai.
Exactly.
And fuck with them.
And fuck
with
with
their food and make their environment dirty and come back.
We have tried
Call
to come up
progress.
with many different ways to
Huh.
fly. We have balloons,
Yeah.
hot air balloons.
Yes.
We have gliders.
Yeah.
You know, solo seating.
Which you just run and you fly, no?
We have hand glider
Hand
also.
gliders and
then
even the-
normal
yeah.
gliders. You know, plane.
Yeah.
1-seater, 2-seater
Yeah.
max. Massive wingspan. I think soon enough we will have that scenario where you will have some people who are very easily excitable
Huh.
at the prospect of flying,
Huh.
and they will try to modify a drone,
Huh.
put up a harness, you know, and charge it and use that thing joystick to and go to work, like just try and fly, make like a big enough drone.
I need to tell you this. So, since you're talking about flying and whatnot, there is this guy in Yavatmal around 15th August or somewhere. So, he's called Yavatmal Ka Rancho, based on Three Idiots Ka Rancho.
Okay.
Okay. And the reason why he's called that, he's a guy who works like truck ka mechanic वगैरह कुछ तो है वो. He works over there. But in his free time, he's trying to build a helicopter. Okay. Using just parts, using internet and whatnot, he's building an helicopter. And he built one. Okay. And he was like, on 15th August, I will launch this helicopter. This
Okay.
budget helicopter, so that helicopters can become useful for everyone and whatnot.
So everybody gets a helicopter.
Yeah.
Like the
That is his
nano,
dream.
nano of helicopters.
Yeah. He just dreamt that because he's like helicopter banane ka hai mere ko and I'll make it. And he was like, I want to do this on 15th August only.
And everybody was like, yeah,
Please
Rancho.
do. Yeah.
Yeah, Amir.
Yeah, तू बना अपने लिए हो जाएगा. But the thing is, he didn't have a RPM वगैरह बहुत dials रहता है ना helicopter.
Yeah, everything is measured.
Yeah, and helicopter even more because like you know you have to take care of altitude तेरा क्या है, wind कैसे जा रहा है, what not. तो rotor का speed होता है. So he had one for the top rotor, he didn't have one for the one behind. And he would have got it if he would have just waited. But इतना देशभक्ति उसका कि मेरे को 15th August पे करने का है. You know, he didn't buy one. And test flight के time पे the thing just moved. पीछे का जो helicopter, it just moved and chopped him. Just went like this, dude. The newspaper का headline read, "This man built a helicopter and then it killed him." It almost makes you feel that the helicopter got alive and killed him.
You know, the companies who are manufacturing helicopters
Yeah.
will keep that cut out
Yeah,
and frame it.
This is why you need us.
When we are involved, this does
This
not
does
happen.
not happen. Do not try this at home. We are professionals.
Please don't believe in DIY helicopters.
No. Do it yourself flying happens only with birds.
But
not
not
human
with
beings.
human beings. Do not trust this video.
Not every dream needs to come true.
Flying cannot happen in a backyard. Oh, William Brothers, na?
Yeah.
हाँ.
नहीं, Wright brothers.
Wright brothers.
Sorry.
Wright brothers.
Wright brothers.
William क्यों बोल रहा है? Wright
I don't
brothers.
know.
Wright
Greg
brothers.
and Orville and Wright you mixed and you made William.
वो लोग का भी बैकयार्ड में टेस्टिंग
हाँ.
जो हुआ, it also did not end well.
Yeah, it crashed only.
Yeah.
It's like वो भाई बचा. That is why continue हुआ और कुछ नहीं.
Let's test this outside the backyard. That is what I've learned. It was an expensive lesson, but we learned
We
it.
learned it. That is it. But like yeah, this drone thing though is being Switzerland का post service, okay, to deliver food and even medicines.
स्विट्जरलैंड है
Try this.
ही
Yeah.
ऐसा देश ही है, मतलब जिधर ऐसा सब चीज तू सुनता है और हाँ हो सकता है स्विट्जरलैंड में हो सकता
वो
है.
लोग किया पर लाइक उन लोग का 1 साल के लिए वो लोग सस्पेंड किया बिकॉज दे हैड लाइक 2 मेजर एक्सीडेंट. लाइक इन वन एक्सीडेंट द ड्रोन वेंट अप, ओके, उसका कुछ तो मैलफंक्शन हुआ तो पैराशूट लॉन्च हुआ.
Okay, so drone had an inbuilt parachute.
Inbuilt
Okay.
parachute and there is like a whistle जो सीटी बजाता है so people know there's a drone falling down and whatnot. But वो ड्रोन का कोई तो बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर probably the wings, it cut off the parachute ka rope.
Because it was broken, so the rotor blade and whatnot was dismantled, so it cut off the parachute.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that led to the drone crashing. And the defense of the company was, yeah, we'll make modifications and all of this, but like, let's not get discouraged. Okay, because accidents happen, while delivering stuff, even on road. Like even conventional methods of transport lead to accidents. But that just happens on road. Like this drone can fall anywhere.
Yeah, it's even more difficult if you're driving and something falls from the sky through the windshield and then leads to a massive crash on the road as well.
Why? Because someone wanted coffee.
Yeah.
That's it.
Morning coffee.
Morning coffee.
Morning coffee leads to morning pile up on the expressway.
Then there's one guy who's driving. He's like, यार coffee भी नहीं आया, traffic भी है, क्या है ये जिंदगी?
All because of drones.
All because of drones.
India
में अपना Swiggy, Zomato, as you said, pizza, Domino's वगैरह.
Yeah.
Swiggy, Zomato are jumping on it.
Yeah.
But
plus we are such a cricket mad nation now. The drones will just drop things and will just
catch.
Yeah,
they're doing that. So
we'll do that.
The big problem in India and all, there is no landing space.
Yeah.
Surprise.
Surprise.
So they are like, okay, we'll have a winch system which will
drop.
Stop.
The moment you have to go down and there are camera and sensors, and the moment you are aligned with the drone, it will like release the package and you will catch it. Increasing the odds of a successful catch.
Everybody will feel like that kid in the like that guy who works in the shoe shop.
And the moment you catch it successfully, you will hear some cricketer जिसका पैसा दे के लिया वो लोग Shane Warne या कोई
That's
a good one. How's that? That's a good one.
That is nice.
They have just paid somebody. That is a feature.
True.
Oh,
IPL
I'm also cricketer. One, two patakas will go out from the drone. Congrats.
ले खा ले अपना छोले.
You're a successful customer. Congrats.
Buy more. Oh, dude. But there's so many hungry people in India. I am pretty sure people will be just throwing stones at drones to get it down.
Oh, yes.
Just to get food.
Oh, yes. They'll just climb trees and wait.
Yeah, just catch like that. हम लोग पतंग नहीं छोड़ता है drone.
People throwing nets.
Yeah. Just to like
catch
fishing
drones.
and whatnot.
Amazon having delivery insurance.
Yeah.
Does not cover drones.
Oh, dude, I think it will go one step further. Eventually, like people will be like, okay, we need to have inbuilt safety measures. There'll be a flamethrower on a drone.
Stay away. ID. Face ID recognition. Yeah. If the face doesn't match,
it will go.
flamethrower. Worried about COVID. Swiggy customer's face was burnt because he was wearing a mask.
Yeah.
Ironically, he had ordered for tandoori.
He became one.
Oh, God. Technology. It's never going to be 100%.
Yeah.
No, there are going to be fallbacks, drawbacks, things will happen.
It will be 95% good. As long as you're not in the 5%, you love it.
Yeah. That's the problem. Don't be in 5%.
Be the 5%. That's all.
Be aware of the 5%.
You were telling me how drones started, at least the idea started with the Afghanistan US Army not wanting to send pilots.
Yeah.
Right. So you were telling me how that is probably the retirement plan. Of
because you
flying a
already
drone
have
now.
Air Force drone pilots. You know, sitting in Nevada, flying drone in Afghanistan, bombing wedding, having a good time.
Yeah. Every now and then opens a Bud Light. America.
Of course. But they are trained to do that.
Yeah.
You know, to manage a drone, to understand how flight happens in joystick. It is like a video game. And that was the problem. It dehumanizes. Now, tomorrow, when there are big deliveries to be done and trucks are anyway automated, you will need people who will be able to
drive,
manage long drone deliveries, heavy deliveries and whatnot. And that is what these Air Force pilots will be reduced to.
Just coming
After
down.
they retire from there, they have just fired, like they have gone in the enemy, you know, they have been in war. And now they are like getting a notification. Kya hai, Ramesh? 30 मिनट हो गया, पिज्जा क्यों नहीं पहुंचा?
every time like a customer screams at a camera and says क्या तुम लोग ये करता नहीं है, ये करता नहीं है, he'll just instinctively go to like fire button.
Machine
किधर
gun.
है? That's his PTSD. I
Yeah.
can't fire.
He's searching for the machine gun button, but all that happens when he presses the button is a notification. I am sorry. I apologize.
Oh dude, there's going to be people who will be like खाना ठंडा है, I'm keeping the drone.
हाँ.
I'm just keeping the drone.
No, sir, let me go, sir, no. The
no,
drone is-
refund.
If I don't get the refund, I'll start disassembling the drone. No, sir, please, sir, let me go, sir. I'm a drone, sir. I haven't done anything wrong. I tried to fly faster, sir. I tried.
Sir, battery low था, क्या करूँ?
Imagine that the drone gives a delivery of food and then makes a request. Could you please charge me for 10 minutes? Plug me in the charging point.
Dude, that will be the next thing, you know. The drone will also like make a table. Like drone में से एक table ऐसा निकला, foldable table. While you're eating, it charges.
हाँ, मेरे पे खा. खुल के सीधा टेबल पे लैंड होएगा, ट्रांसफॉर्मर वहां पे खुलेगा.
ये टेक्नोलॉजी
खुद ही वायर जाके ऐसा सॉकेट में ढूंढ लेगा, प्लग्ड इनटू चार्जिंग. आई एम वार्मिंग अप फूड नाउ. द ड्रोन विल वार्म अप फूड आल्सो. And human beings are lazy fucks that we are like, अरे गरम गरम खाना, वाह वाह.
We won't clean it. So the next
Self-cleaning.
guy, oh, self-cleaning. Oh, of course. Of course.
Self cleaning. It will have to.
Yeah.
If human beings are that lazy, cleaning
Then
is the
cleaning
first
is
thing.
yeah.
Cleaning is the first victim of laziness. It's the first symbol. He's in a lazy mood. He hasn't cleaned himself, hasn't cleaned his surroundings, has cleaned nothing. He is in a very lazy mood.
Yes.
Cleanliness is the first victim, right? वो तो अपन नहीं, वो first चीज robot करेगा.
ठीक है, cool.
All right.
Be
Be aware of drones.
Be
aware.
ऐसे
Be
भी आ
careful.
सकता है. If you've enjoyed this conversation, hit like, by the way, and also leave your comments. Tell us what are you most afraid of when it comes to drones, and what is the one thing you want your drone to deliver. Also, if drones happen, look into your surroundings, click a photo of why this drone won't be able to reach me, and DM us on our Instagram. The things will be down, so we'll just have a look at that.
Yeah, if you think like me that people will get randomly decapitated on the streets because of drones, then press the like button.
Hit the like button.
I will be using my umbrella made out of metal to be safe.
Having a sword fight with a drone.
Drones. The end is near. Press the like button
the like
before
button.
it's here.
Yeah.
Now, Noel,
Yeah.
we live in the city of Mumbai.
Yes.
Thane, still the periphery. It counts. Where it matters, it counts.
Yeah.
Yeah? So there's a national park right in the middle of our city.
True.
Mumbai is a city where you have coexistence of different cultures,
Yeah.
people from different backgrounds,
Yeah.
and animals.
Yeah.
Everything has to coexist.
And not all of them can be eaten.
Not all of them. You can be eaten by some of them. If you are in the national park at the wrong time of the night, chances are you are not coming out. You are a permanent visitor. Now, there was a lot of rain, monsoon.
Yeah.
We have the national park.
Yeah.
And we have crocodiles
Yeah.
in our lakes.
Yeah.
And whenever we have a lot of rain, we have a lot of flooding,
Yeah.
crocodiles decide to change locations.
Yeah.
Okay. And there was a crocodile, Indian marsh crocodile, 7 feet, 8 feet long, and giant crocodile, who was found in Suraj Water Park.
Yes.
Of
Which is
all
in Thane.
places. Of all places. It is a water amusement park.
Yeah.
It was like he decided to put the amusement
In amusement park.
because think about it. See, a man-animal conflict happening, I can understand. You know, a leopard being seen at a bus stop nearby the national park. I see that. I see that happening. It somehow makes sense. कि अरे bus stop है, side में ही है, बोरिवली का gate है, national park का gate है, होएगा. You know, but a water park and a crocodile.
That is intentional.
That is a choice. I don't want to break in wherever.
Yeah.
I want to break into a national, you know.
I've heard of this. It sounds very nice.
Yeah.
There's watery water.
This
It's
is
like
what
that thing can read.
This is what rain should be, according to me. Not that flooding of the lake, and you know, even the place where I stay and chill by the lake, even that is flooded and whatnot. No, this is the perfect scenario of rains, of monsoon. Like, how fun for a crocodile. Like, the moment I read it, you know, I was just imagining all sorts of scenarios wherein the crocodile is just thinking, I'm in heaven.
Yeah.
I'm in crocodile heaven.
This is the perfect place for any crocodile.
Like, he's just going up the stairs and then taking the slide. Whee!
Just comes out.
that what is that? Rain dance.
Rain
dance
dance.
का mushroom का नीचे is chilling.
Yeah, आराम से.
Imagine he's
बात.
lazy river में he's just ऐसा floating about. Like,
It's the
how
perfect.
terrifying would it be if the water park opens up and like kids come by the lazy river, first customers of the day,
Yes.
and they are like thinking, अरे float choose कर रहा है,
हाँ.
मैं इसमें बैठता है, मैं उसमें बैठता है, मैं वो tube में बैठता है, and you see a crocodile shaped thing and you're like, अरे मैं crocodile में बैठेगा, मैं crocodile में बैठेगा, and the moment you sit and you're like, it's too real, it's
Suddenly you are one of the
oh
floats.
God. All of the places where this crocodile could just be,
Yeah.
like if they wouldn't have spotted the crocodile,
Yeah.
all of the
Where
places
else?
it could be. Imagine you are going on that slide and it's that whole tunnel,
Yeah.
the whole like dark full
Yes,
tunnel, and
yes.
you're just going down, and
Just
then
like
you get
everything
stuck, and then like, "What, पैर क्यों किधर है?" and then you just see like this mouth open. The
Imagine-
worst.
Your family is at the end of the slide saying, "Abhi aayega, camera ready rakh," and like blood water.
No. You just see a hand come down. ये क्या?
Hand का भी position ऐसा क्या?
ऐसा? अरे क्या है ये? मेरे को ऊपर वो बोला, जाओ स्लाइड में जाओ.
सेफ है आपका हाइट है बराबर, हाथ पैर अंदर रखो क्या?
2 minutes in, the crocodile comes down.
Yum. There are no mascots that are crocodiles. No?
Oh God.
No food that sells use crocodile as an image.
It shouldn't, cannot be. Can you? Oh God, it would be a massacre.
Yeah.
If you just think, even in Suraj Water Park,
Huh.
the thing is, you can't stop yourself.
Yeah.
Even on slides bowl, wave pool,
Huh.
like you're just going up and down.
The crocodile is more and more in its habitat when it's inside. I have home advantage, bitch. Just
Like,
takes.
imagine you're going deeper in the wave pool and there are people, and then you see crocodile, like just here, crocodile's mouth right next to you.
Attack.
It will not end well.
Yeah.
And there are so many places where it could easily get camouflaged.
Yeah.
And thank God it was spotted.
Huh.
And then it was taken to Sanjay Gandhi National Park for a checkup
Yeah.
to see if the crocodile is fit enough to
Yeah.
be sent back to its habitat
Yeah.
where it came from.
In the
you know,
wild and all.
In the lake.
Huh.
Okay. So it was given checkup and it was sent. And to think the bullying that is going to happen
Yeah.
with this crocodile.
Huh.
Because this crocodile is going to go back in the lake
Huh.
and be like, अरे मैं क्या देखा मालूम
You
है,
have no
ओ
clue.
तू सोचेगा नहीं, तुम लोग रहता था ना, पागल हो जाता तुम
You
लोग.
are swamp brains only.
हाँ, कीचड़
कीचड़ में ही रहेगा तुम लोग.
तुम्हारा इमेजिनेशन है ना. अदर क्रोकोडाइल्स अरे क्या अरे ऐसा फुल स्लाइड रहता है, घसरगुंडी रहता है, पानी जिधर देख पानी और क्लीन पानी.
हाँ, ऐसा मच्छी दिखेगा तेरे को डायरेक्ट.
क्लीन पानी, कुछ सीन नहीं ऐसा. तेरे को चाहिए तो तू लेजी रिवर बोल के एक है उधर फ्लोट होने का ऐसा.
हाँ. आराम के लिए एक जगह, एक्सरसाइज के लिए एक जगह, नाचने के लिए एक जगह,
नाचने के लिए रेन वाटर
सब जगह है तेरे लिए.
सब जगह है, अपने लिए बना है.
हाँ.
And
All the crocodiles.
all the crocodiles would just be like, ये डाल
चूतिया साला.
नशे कर
क्लोरीन का नशे करते हैं भेंचोद. अभी भी बास आ रहा है
नहीं,
इसका.
नहीं.
कलर चेंज हो गया
Colour
साला.
change हो गया साले.
भेंचोद. क्या अपने को बोलेगा. ए सुनो मत बच्चे लोग, सुनो मत इसका. वो मामा ना पागल हो गए.
Village idiot. Vihar Lake idiot. This crocodile.
That's the thing, right? For the crocodile, he was taken by people in suits and all.
Yeah.
Okay, and tests and all were done on him. For him, it is an alien experience.
Huh.
Like he got probed.
Yeah, he's that guy.
He's that guy.
He's that guy with the story.
These aliens, bro.
I was taken on the spaceship. I was put up on a stretcher.
There were many other spaceships around me.
Yeah.
We were stopping for a very long time. I don't know why.
They had restrained me.
Yeah.
And they were touching me and whatnot.
Prodding things.
Yeah. And all the other young crocodiles are being told, don't listen to him. He's a crazy fellow.
He's gone.
Leave him alone. But oh god, that crocodile has gone back with stories.
Yeah.
Stories that are probably going to make him a castaway.
Yeah.
An outcast.
We are releasing him into the wild.
He probably doesn't
He's
want to go
gone.
back in the wild. Hey, what if he keeps on coming back? Every monsoon.
Oh yeah, every monsoon he'll just
He
make it
does
back.
that voyage.
Yeah.
It becomes a thing.
Pilgrimage.
Pilgrimage. It becomes
Pilgrimage
a thing.
for him.
People wait with nariyal and whatnot. अरे आया वापस आया.
सूरज वाटर पार्क अभी चालू कर सकते हैं वाटर पार्क चालू करेंगे
With his arrival.
with his arrival it was
He opens the gate.
hey
he goes into the lazy river, and that is when the first ticket is sold. We have made it to the time that things are opening up a bit now. At least they are in the process of opening up.
Yeah.
And people would be going about their jobs.
yeah
You know, if they have a job.
yeah if they have anything left after
Yeah.
2 years of nothing
Yeah.
they'll go back to whatever life it used to be. Do you
Yep.
even remember that life?
Exactly. If
Some
people don't have a job, they'll go out in search of a job.
yeah
And then there are some people who come up with their own theories
yes
on how to get a job.
yeah
They think they have hacked it.
yeah
They have found a shortcut.
this is the system. I will go around it.
Oh, yes.
चोर रास्ता मिल गया.
Government job sector is a big thing.
It's a charitable institution. but it
It's like that Mario game Mushroom.
huh.
There are many, but each of them is nice. It's safe.
Huh.
You know, if you have a government job, you're sorted. You don't have to
Yeah.
worry about retire होएगा बराबर थोड़ा dependable salary.
हाँ.
सब कुछ sorted है. Union type रहेगा scene.
Yeah, you're basing your whole life on the
Yeah.
government.
Yeah.
Government से stable क्या है?
In fact, education is a big sector
Hmm.
taken care of by the government. You know, public schools.
Yeah.
In different states, they have
Yeah.
their own sort of selection process
yes.
and
For
exams.
teachers, for yeah.
For professors, teachers in colleges and
Yeah.
all that. Yeah. So I read about certain candidates
Yes.
who are planning to be teachers.
Bright-eyed, starry, you know, people who want to give their life for the future of the nation. Kind of, at least in theory.
Noble profession.
Yeah.
Giving.
Will be like told Happy Teachers Day in the future.
Sharing
गुरु दक्षिणा
knowledge.
देगा, बाप रे.
You know, sharing
लोग पैर
knowledge.
छूने वाला ये पब्लिक का.
Exactly. This is a job
Yeah.
that you are appearing for as a candidate. There's
Huh.
an examination for it.
हाँ.
And certain candidates decided to find a way
Yeah.
around the selection
They
process.
applied motivation.
They were like, I'll become noble,
हाँ.
but let me cheat to get there first.
Yeah.
The moment I become a teacher, I'll stop
be
cheating.
noble, yeah.
I'll stop cheating. I'll tell the kids also, no, cheating is bad, bachcha log, don't cheat.
Yeah.
But let me cheat to get there.
Yeah.
And how did they cheat?
Oh my God. Beautiful.
What was the genius, the theory? Because see, there's a plan, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can't just like, there are some people who are amateurs who'll write stuff on a chit, like a small piece of paper.
Write stuff on your hand.
Yeah.
But you run out of space.
Yeah.
That's not.
Then you see those memes with that invisible ink, which nobody does.
No.
But it's still like a meme.
The point is, all these physical ways require space.
Yeah, true.
No, physical
Require-
space
How much?
Alright.
How much knowledge can you cram on a chit?
on your hand.
Yeah, in small font,
Yeah.
then it's barely legible.
Yeah, it
then you are
doesn't work.
nervous, so the ink gets smudgy.
Wet and all. Yeah. How much will you do? Write
Yeah.
on a chappal
Outdated.
like this? No, it's an outdated. You need to
Outdated.
step like up your game.
As a
This age.
teacher, you need to be a visionary also.
Yeah,
so
you
you
need
need
to
to
see the
have
future.
visions of the future.
Yeah.
What are the future ways of cheating?
Yeah.
If I am able to do it, maybe tomorrow a child might try it and fail. Why? Because I cheated. And it worked. So now I know
Yeah.
that
And so-
I'll ensure that the other kids won't be able to cheat the same way. That is.
I'm beta testing this method.
Yeah.
But so they did beta test this new method of cheating,
Okay.
which is that apparently some of these candidates used chappals, which had a mobile phone footwear. Chappals
okay.
and footwear.
Okay.
Inside the sole of the footwear, there is a mobile phone. Okay.
This is teachers, instead of going through syllabus, they watch Mission Impossible movies.
Yeah.
You know, playing that soundtrack also.
That plays when you when a person between two answers, that is a soundtrack.
Yeah.
Plays. So it's got there's a phone inside this.
Inside the soul.
Yeah, inside
Okay.
the sole,
Alright.
and then you put a Bluetooth headset, small Bluetooth headset,
But how, like,
small enough, like it's Mission Impossible, like it's
Yeah, but
tailor made for that.
even like a Bluetooth headset, even
Huh.
like AirPods or whatever.
I don't think
they're
it's
still visible.
it's in the market wala thing. अपना market में जो मिलता है, it is some एकदम छोटू सा. The FBI ऐसा करता है ना, secret
Something
service.
from Zhuangzhang.
Yeah,
China. China से
imported
के
China माल. Yeah, and you need it only for 2 hours, so वो भी चलता है. Like,
they have like tiny children
Yeah.
making it, so it's all tiny. Tiny 6-year-old Chinese laborers.
it stopped working. This child was whipped at the wrong time. That's why the
Yeah.
piece is gone.
So
they are using that, and there is
Okay.
someone outside who is just telling them the answers.
so it's a phone call.
Yeah.
It's utilizing technology.
It's like customer service.
So it was like, okay, so this person, this candidate
Huh.
was appearing for this teacher's exam. And like one fellow who thought of an innovative idea, or
No, this is a market. This is now a small scale industry, it seems. There were at least like Bikaner
Oh.
and
So-
Ajmer where people were caught, and now this is an industry. This is a product that they are selling.
so that means this sort of a cheating method
Huh.
was so successful
Yeah.
that
It's an industry. 2 lakh का set है वो. जो तू आता है ना, 2 lakh
Oh,
का
you
set
buy
है.
a package.
Yeah,
like-
you buy a package. I think like if you pay a little extra money, they'll give you a friend who knows all the answers also. Who'll be on the other end and call.
No, I think the expensive stuff would be you want the phone inside a pair of sneakers, then it's a bit more. I'll need to
Yeah.
factor in the sneakers.
Sneaker
ka-
का
yeah.
भाव, we need to do that.
Air Jordan, Nike, you can get a phone in a Nike.
Yeah.
It'll cost you a bit more, but
Yeah, you'll be able to impress people also, na?
yeah,
later on.
chappal. So there is this scam. It's basically a scam. If you're saying it led to a small scale industry,
Hmm.
then it's a scam wherein there are people who are sitting with chappals
Hmm.
and like cutting out the sole
Yeah.
and customizing it.
Yeah. It is part of our economy.
Like you go to a guy and give him 2 lakhs and he's like,
Yes.
okay, you want a job? I'll ensure you get a job.
Huh.
It covers everything, all inclusive.
Huh.
Tension mat lo, one time investment
Yes.
समझ के go for it.
Hmm.
And you're like, अरे 2 लाख रुपए दिए अभी
2 लाख में सीट मिल रहा है रूट जॉब का. और क्या चाहिए तेरे को?
And tomorrow, maybe a child with money
Hmm.
wanting to cheat
Hmm.
might approach me with an offer of 2 lakhs and I'll make it. I'll recover the money quickly. It's
But are you making shoes?
yeah.
No, he'll hire you on an hourly basis. आप answer दो.
No,
That's what
you
you do.
just direct at the source only. Tell,
Huh.
I'll give you marks. I'll just get the job, and all I'll have to do is see, I'm a teacher anyway.
Huh.
I know the kids.
Huh.
I know what background,
Huh.
who has enough money.
True.
You know.
Yeah, so you can
paisa
charge
hai.
based on customer also.
Exactly, and
Yeah.
I know that this kid is not going to go anywhere.
No.
Not
Huh.
amounting to anything. I mean, I've tried as a teacher. It's not happening. So I might as well just tell him, see, your father is anyway rich.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 lakh rupees. No.
It's nothing but
It's just
हाथ का मेल है.
give it to me on Teachers' Day.
Huh.
I don't mind.
That's a better gift.
Yeah. You know.
That
hey,
really makes me
all-
feel happy.
all kids are giving teachers gifts that day
Rose.
anyway. Yeah. I'll just be able to hide it better.
Yeah.
Just give it to me on that day and you'll get marks. And I'll recover the money that I've given to get the job. It's a win-win situation.
True.
Technology. People resorting to technology.
I think that's the thing that he'll get angry on his students for. Y'all are still using this outdated.
So they were caught
Hmm.
and then it turned out to be a big racket
Yeah.
on a huge scale.
Hmm.
Where exactly?
Rajasthan, Bikaner, Ajmer. where you can expect this to happen.
It almost sounds like a plot for a good series.
Jamtara type,
Yeah,
no? Yeah.
exactly. Like
You
a
almost get that.
second sort of scam that you're trying to show happening on a low level.
But imagine the only problem that comes is बैटरी का फोन का बैटरी खत्म हो गया बीच एग्जाम में
चार्जिंग के
nothing
लिए
is working.
चार्जिंग के लिए चप्पल लगा रहा है.
Yeah, that's what will happen. Like, the thing that they'll sell over this to people is like, okay, एक सोल में तू फोन रख, दूसरा सोल में पावर बैंक रहेगा. because you need
And
that
then you
shit.
click the heels
Yeah,
to charge
just
it.
like what is that movie? Wizard of Oz.
Yeah.
You just
You
charge.
just click the heels.
अरे contactless है. Some person is sitting with both his feet like this.
Oh. I think even if you're cheating,
Hmm.
even if you have that,
Hmm.
a phone call,
Huh.
the phone call essentially tells you, don't worry, whatever the question is, I'll be able to get it. Normally a chat वगैरह you have to search if you have written parallel वो correlating information ढूंढना पड़ता
है कि नहीं? You have to refer
but with
it.
a phone call you definitely can, but there is still a problem over there.
हाँ.
You will still not be able to answer all the questions
अच्छा, why?
because then it's too correct. There are first of all you won't get the time. You won't get the time, and secondly it's better to choose because
of course.
you will have to go between calls, you'll have to factor in the time on the other end to search for the information.
हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब गूगल सर्च माफिक, उधर भी इंसान है ना दूसरा साइड पे जो मदद कर रहा है तेरे को, तो उसको भी थोड़ा टाइम देना पड़ेगा. ये सवाल है, फिर ये सवाल का जवाब मिल रहा है, फिर so you'll have to choose the questions that you cheat on.
Which is why, like, whoever you're cheating with, that person needs to be a proper person.
Best friend.
हाँ, best friend. Like
all,
best friend who doesn't fuck up.
हाँ, all tone, voice,
Clear
way of
एकदम.
inflection.
Like, this is what you'll have to like test with the phone and all. And he can't be like a person who doesn't know technology well.
Yeah.
You need a trained operative on the other end.
Whenever you break it down, you realize the fact that people look down on cheaters because they say, oh, it's too easy. You're finding the easy way out.
No.
It's
At
not.
this level, it's not.
Cheating is not easy. There's planning involved. Good cheating. If you're not wanting to get caught, good cheating involves a lot of work.
These guys also got caught because one idiot had enough money and he didn't conceal the phone properly. So people who are, so he's ruined it for everyone. So people who are doing it properly are doing it properly.
Imagine this guy got caught and you were the next batch of candidates who has already given money and you're like, "Arey yaar, abhi tak it was all perfect. I was going to get the job. I was going to get." This idiot could not wear the chappal properly.
उसको चलना नहीं आया properly into the examination hall.
And the way of cheating is so novel. It's so quirky that automatically cops would have gotten interested. Like क्या किधर छुपा रहे, चप्पल में छुपा रहे, तो देखना पड़ेगा यार क्या है ये. I have to investigate this.
Dude, imagine if this technology is more advanced than cops का ये investigation type thing.
No, if cops
what they use
if
for
cops
this.
are finding that chappal maker and telling, you know what, work for us. we have people undercover who wear chappal recording. We need it for evidence. And that is the headline, like cheating teachers still helpful to the society.
Making sure now they are teaching criminals a lesson.
Cops pick up surveillance techniques from
cheating teachers.
Cheater teachers.
Happy Teachers Day.
Cheater teachers. Arre, my God, what a job, what a thing to. That's the level of jadedness. That this person is going to teach generations of children. And this person got the job how? 2 lakh rupees.
That's it.
That is it. 2 lakh rupees.
It really makes you wonder na, that like, oh wow, we just look at our teachers as amazing. You don't know how they got there. You don't know what their past is.
They would be very good at stopping children from cheating though.
Of course, he'll be like, oh shit, invigilator.
Because they would be so good at reading faces, like this was my face. When I was trying to listen to and ask the answer, this was exactly my face. What do you think? I have not seen this. I have not been through. Arey, too much. I've said too much. Stop right there.
There's always that incident that people have ki, oh, my teacher, I was writing the exam, I was writing the wrong answer. and then my teacher tapped me and dictated the right answer. He'll be dictating to them, he'll be instructing them how to cheat properly.
Yeah.
Like, that's it. In the next invigilator, don't do
The
this. Next don't do
the
this.
exam actually is about ways of cheating.
Yeah.
And that is the exam.
The exam is
Yes.
about like
I will
figuring
be
out.
examining how are you cheating,
This
in
is
what
Naruto.
ways you are cheating. And the best cheater
Yeah.
gets a reward of some sort, a certificate to certify that you are really good at cheating stuff. Okay? You will always find a way out of something.
Yeah.
Loophole guy.
Yeah.
That is what a
These
good cheater
These
is.
guys are ready for a job. You are ready for life.
Yeah.
That is how we land.
You have it will help you out.
Yeah.
People say cheating will not help you.
See-
Cheating will always help you out.
That is the thing about school. More than the books, it's what you do at school that helps
You
out.
always come across potentially at least 3 times in a city like Mumbai. I think I'm getting cheated.
Huh.
Sometimes you're in a rickshaw and you're like, no, there is something wrong with the meter.
Yeah.
There is something. Abhi tak
Yeah.
itna nahi girta hai.
You suddenly start figuring out that when like the auto wala says you like, हाँ उधर से भी same ही होता है.
हाँ.
And then you look at Google Maps and it's like 5 kilometers more. कैसा रे?
So there are always people trying to cheat. You
Yeah.
know, you always have to learn, always have to keep your guard up. You know, people tell, yaar, as an ex-teacher, I must tell you, people keep on telling blindly respect teachers. You never know. I think the first thing you should ask, now that the schools are reopening and children are going back to school, the first thing the children should ask the teacher is, was there a transaction involving 2 lakh rupees?
No. I
If
think
so,
it's like,
I'm not doing any homework. Okay.
the thing you need to ask teachers right now after 2 years of coming back, you had a lot of free time in 2 years. Okay, what else did you do during those 2 years? Like what side businesses did you do? If it's selling bhaji, it's fine. If you are selling something else, then fuck off.
Oh God. Oh man. Well, let's see. Hopefully, there is still some nobility left to this noble profession of teaching.
No, I think that's what's going to happen. The biggest con is going to be people just perpetuating the thing. This is still a noble profession.
I think they're just going to record lectures and sell it. That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
That's going to be the future. Android
Makes
teachers, whom you just plug out to like make them shut up.
Chup. Finger on your lips.
Yeah.